Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 45. I'm going to explain about more derivative adjectives. Chapter 45 or bab 45. More derivative adjectives. One more way of forming adjectives is by affixing the prefix ke and suffix an to certain nouns and some color or taste words. For the color and taste words, it is often reduplicated. For example, keemasan, golden, kedaerahan, kenegerian, provincial, kebudak-budakan, childish, kemerah-merahan, reddish, keputih-putihan, whitish, kehijau-hijauan, greenish, kekuning-kuningan, yellowish, kebiru-biruan, bluish, kehitam-hitaman, blackish, kepahit-pahitan, bitterish, kemasam-masaman, sourish, kemanis-manisan, sweetish. Examples in sentences. Sekarang awak ada peluang keemasan untuk melanjutkan pelajaran. Now you have a golden opportunity to further your studies. Apabila buah itu masak, warnanya kemerah-merahan. When that fruit is ripe, its color will be reddish. Umurnya sudah lebih 30 tahun, tetapi kelakuannya masih kebudak-budakan. His age is more than 30 years, but his behavior is still childish. Air laut itu biru kehijau-hijauan. The sea water is greenish blue. Rambut kawan saya perang kemerah-merahan. My friend's hair is reddish brown. Air nira itu manis kemasam-masaman. The sap water is sourish sweet. This is sap water, taken from coconut tree or from nipah tree. It's one of tropical tree in the jungle. Air nira kelapa, coconut sap tree, dari pohon kelapa, from coconut tree di Surwen, Semarang, in Surwen, Semarang, is in Indonesia. Katanya ubat itu kepahit-pahitan. He said that the medicine is bitterish. Adjectives with the word young. Young means who, that, which. Usually with adjective, young means that. Use attributively. Examples, kejayaan yang mengagumkan telah memberi harapan baik untuk masa depannya. His astonishing success gives hope to his future. Nasihat-nasihat yang menggalakkan dihargai oleh pelajar-pelajar itu. Encouraging advice is appreciated by the students. Berita yang mendukacitakan itu jangan disampaikan kepadanya. Do not convey the sad news to him. Yang used predicatively. Kejayaan yang telah dicapainya mengagumkan. The success he has achieved is astonishing. Kerjasama yang telah diberi setakat ini sangat menggalakkan. The cooperation given so far is very encouraging. Perbuatannya itu sangat mendukacitakan. His action is most regretted. Adjectives formed from English words. A good number of English adjectives has been absorbed into Bahasa Melayu. They are slightly modified to conform to the approved spelling system. Examples, Bahasa Melayu, English. Bahasa Melayu, democratic, English, democratic. Realistic, realistic. Fanatic, fanatic. Dramatic, dramatic. Systematic, systematic. automatic, automatic, diplomatic, diplomatic. Examples in sentences. Pengajaran sistematik hendaklah selalu diamalkan. Systematic teaching should be carried out always. Sebagai sebuah negara demokratik, perniagaan bebas adalah digalakkan. As a democratic country, free trade is encouraged. Bebas here means free, like freedom, liberty. But for free, percuma, usually we found in shopping complex or in store, like buy one, free one. It's percuma, not bebas. Percuma. Sebuah loceng automatik telah dipasang di kilang itu. An automatic bell has been installed at the factory. Adjectives before nouns. Examples of adjectives which are placed before nouns. The adjective is the bold one, this one, the bold. Bakal pengarah, future director. Bekas guru, former teacher. Perdana Menteri, prime minister. Ketua pengarang, chief editor. Examples in sentences. Encik Lim ialah bakal pengarah syarikat kita. Encik Lim or Mr. Lim is the future director of our company. Perdana Menteri sesebuah negara adalah seperti seorang nakhoda kepada sebuah kapal. The Prime Minister of a country is like a captain to a ship. Words to remember. Nouns, wawasan, vision. Objective, objective. Rakyat, citizen. Halangan, obstacle. Adat, customs. Kebudayaan, culture. Masyarakat, community. Masalah, problem. Tamadun, civilization. Cabaran, challenge. Kesetiaan, loyalty. Verbs. Dicapai, to be achieved. Mewujudkan, to create. Mengamalkan, to practice. Bersaing, to compete. Menyumbang, to contribute. Membangun, to develop. Other words, bebas, free. Kekeluargaan, family. Masa depan, future. Wawasan 2020. Vision 2020. Wawasan 2020 bertujuan mewujudkan negara bermatlamat iaitu Malaysia akan menjadi negara maju dengan caranya tersendiri. Vision 2020. Purpose, its purpose to create a country that has a goal. That is, Malaysia will become developed country with its own way. Objektif ini hanya boleh dicapai jika rakyat Malaysia dapat menghadapi dan mengatasi pelbagai halangan yang dianggap sebagai cabaran seperti this objective only can be achieved if the Malaysian can face and overcome many or various obstacles which regarded as challenge such as nombor 1, mewujudkan dan membangunkan masyarakat demokratik yang matang. Number 1, to create and develop democratic society that is mature or mature democratic society. Mengamalkan satu bentuk persefahaman yang matang. Practice a kind of mature understanding. Demokratik Malaysia berasaskan masyarakat yang boleh menjadi contoh kepada negara membangun yang lain. Democracy Malaysian based on the community or the people that can become example to another developing countries. Nombor 2. Mewujudkan masyarakat liberal dan bertolak ansur. Number 2. To create the tolerant and liberal community. Rakyat berbagai kaum bebas mengamalkan adat, kebudayaan dan kepercayaan agama masing-masing dan pada masa yang sama meletakkan kesetiaan mereka kepada satu negara. People in various ethnic or various race free to practice their custom, their culture and their religion belief, and at the same time put their loyalty to one country. Nombor 3. Mewujudkan masyarakat saintifik dan progresif. Create the progressive and scientific community. Mempunyai daya perubahan tinggi dan memandang ke depan. The community that have high change strength and looking forward bukan sahaja menjadi pengguna teknologi tetapi juga menyumbang kepada tamadun saintifik dan teknologi masa depan. The community that not only become the technology consumer but also contribute to the civilization of scientific and future technology. 4. Mewujudkan masyarakat penyayang dan budaya menyayangi. To create the community that loving and caring that and also have the loving culture. Iaitu sistem sosial yang mengutamakan masyarakat dari diri sendiri. That is a social system that prioritize the community than themselves dan kebajikan insan and human welfare tidak berkisar kepada negara, not only focus to the country atau individu or individual tetapi di sekeliling sistem kekeluargaan yang kukuh, but around the family system that is strong. Nombor 5. Mewujudkan masyarakat makmur yang mempunyai ekonomi bersaing, dinamik, giat dan kental. To create the prosperous community who has strong, active, dynamic and competitive economy. Cabaran-cabaran ini harus dihadapi bagi membolehkan Malaysia mencapai taraf negara maju. This obstacle should be faced to enable Malaysia to achieve developed country status. Exercise or latihan. Number 1. His provincial sentiment is very strong. Sentimen kedaerahannya sangat kuat or sentimen kenegeriannya sangat kuat. 2. The flower is yellowish white in color. Bunga itu putih ke kuning-kuningan warnanya. 3. Encik Roslan has been appointed as chief editor. Encik Roslan telah dilantik menjadi ketua pengarang. 4. The sky on the western horizon turned reddish yellow. Langit di ufuk barat menjadi kuning kemerah-merahan. 5. Realistic steps should be taken early. Langkah-langkah yang realistik patut diambil segera. 6. The medicine is a bit bitterish. Ubat itu kepahit-pahitan sedikit. 7. He is a former engineer with Tenaga Nasional Berhad. Dia ialah bekas jurutera Tenaga Nasional Berhad. This is Tenaga Nasional Berhad. Tenaga means energy. 8. The golden era of that country is over. Zaman keemasan negara itu telah tamat. 9. These pickled fruits taste sweet. Buah-buahan jeruk itu manis rasanya. 10. Diplomatic ties have been severed. Hubungan diplomatik telah terputus. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.